Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. A friend of mine stopped by and it's a 2008 Honda Accord Coupe and her trunk latch is broken, so we folded down the back seats. I crawled in here and I got the broken one off. It's literally held on by two number 10s right here. You have to take this plastic piece off first. And then she brought this one, but it's the wrong one. So let me pull that out of the way. She brought this one and bought from Amazon. This is the one that belongs to the car. Different, so we got this from another wrecking yard. I'm gonna go to put this one on. Very simple. This has two number 10s, and before you can actually mount it, you need to put this cable, if you can see close up, right through here. Probably just put it in the middle slot or whatever slot it came from if you've got it off. And plug that in, and it literally is two number 10s. Okay, so it should work. One way to find out is to close it, and then we'll put the cover back on afterwards. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten up the 210 bolts. And then we'll slide this cover back on. All right, everything works. Very simple, guys. Two number 10s that go right here. To get the old one off, you gotta slide this plastic piece off. Two 10s, swap over the plugs and put it back in. It's very simple. Don't waste your money at the dealership. This is a 2008 Honda Accord Coupe. I think 8, 9, 10 is the same. As long as the body style is the same, it should all be the same. And if it's a limited, non-limited, EX, V6, whatever, they're all the same. Please subscribe, tune in, and we're going to tear this car apart and make some more content.